Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. Ignite your potential. I'm Shawn Michael, and today we're talking about one of those overlooked keys to success, your energy. Not time, but your energy. You see, we all get the same 24 hours in a day, but it comes down to how we use that energy that makes the difference. Today, we'll talk about a simple energy audit to help you identify where you're spending your energy and whether it's serving you or not.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want no fake love.
I'll be honest, I've been guilty of energy mismanagement myself. Previously, I've found myself juggling so many responsibilities: marketing, hosting live events, creating new programs, trying to grow my business, all while saying yes to every request that came my way. I've been busy, but not necessarily effective, and it has shown. I'm exhausted, barely moving the needle on my goals. Then I learned about energy auditing. It's a game changer. I've started tracking my week, literally writing down every activity, meeting, and interaction, then categorizing them into 3 groups. Energizers, the things that light me up, give me a boost. Coaching people, creative work, communicating and sharing ideas. The neutrals, tasks that are necessary but don't move the needle, like administrative work. And drainers, the activities or interactions that leave me feeling drained or depleted. Seeing it on paper makes patterns clear. Too much time going to things that don't energize me, and it's been holding me back. Here's the key. Once you've identified your energy drains, ask yourself how you might be able to defer, delegate, or delete them. For the things that energize you, schedule more of them into your day. This process isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Let me share a specific example. In the past, I was spending hours every week managing my inbox. It was draining and distracting, but I felt like I had to handle it all myself. After my energy audit, I'm considering hiring a virtual assistant to manage my emails. It's a small investment that can free up hours of my time, and even more importantly, it frees up that mental space for creative and strategic work. This one shift could make a huge difference. Your challenge today is to dedicate 10 minutes to do your own energy audit. Write down the activities from your past week. Categorize them. Are they energizers? Are they neutral? Or are they those dreaded drainers? Reflect on how you can do more of what energizes you, and learn how to delegate or eliminate what drains you to bring more balance to your energy each day. Thanks again for tuning in to Daily Power Boost. Until next time, remember, protect your energy and keep shining.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want no fake